Hello. This series is on a quiz website where you can sell the quiz. Okay, and this is a third and last video of the quiz website series. For those who have not seen the first and second video, click on the eye icon above to watch the videos. There, first video I show how to upload quiz or set up the quiz, and second video I will show you how to add payment gateway, and today's video will show you how to add and this video I'll show you how to purchase quiz. Okay, first here three product is available now: Math Quiz, Space Quiz and Wall Quiz. Now click add to cart and here subtotal is 1 and here flat rate is 1. First disable this one. First WooCommerce and settings option and click the third one, and here we see the India and edit this. Here add one new method. This method is free and add and disable first one and save change. Okay, and go to the cart page and refresh again. Okay, now it is free and total is 1 and proceed to checkout. Okay, now the billing details: first name, last name and phone number and my email address, and then pay with UPI QR code and proceed to payment. Okay, now first see the order number is 146, date June 27, total 1, and payment method is UPI QR code. Okay, and scan and pay now, and don't worry, I will show you live payment proof. Open my Paytm and scan the QR code. And first check order is apply or not. $146. Okay, my order ID is 146 and my payment is done. Wait for a second. It's a live payment proof. Okay, payment is failed. Now again try. And my payment is successful. Okay, and here we see my order ID. my order is 146. Okay, and now proceed to next step and confirm. But here a message is show your transaction has been completed, but here we do not show the download option. For download option, first check WooCommerce and orders and click this ID and status is on hold. Okay, and this complete and update. Now user refresh this page and here we see the download option. Okay, and you see the downloads remaining 2 and expire never, means downloads remaining 2, one user download 2 times, and Matt Quiz my product name. Download, click the Matt Quiz and desktop and save this. Okay, then again download and save this. Now try to third time. Sorry, we have reached your download limit for this file. Okay, and check this PDF file open or not. And see the question and file name is okay. Thank you.